Ferrari 812 Superfast receives 828 HP tune and wide body kit from Novitec. Novitec has created 3 unique Ferrari 812 Superfast supercars. The aftermarket specialist has already sold cars with a wider body and upgraded powertrains that deliver more power. Novitec's Ferrari 812 Superfast N-Largo S model has the brand's naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine. The tuner modified the engine's electronics and software, increasing output to 828 horsepower, 618 kilowatts, and torque to 553 pound-feet, 751 Newton-meters. The stock 812 produces 789 horsepower and 530 lb-ft. The increase in output power catapults the coupe to 62 miles per hour, 100 kilometers per hour, in 2.8 seconds. Novitec increases its top speed to 214 miles per hour, 345 kilometers per hour. The engine breathes through a new Novitec high-performance exhaust with or without actively controlled butterfly valves. Also available in stainless steel or Inconel. There are Novitec NF11 N-Largo S rims specially developed by Vossen on all 4 corners, staggered 21-inch front and 22-inch rear wheels. They have a double-arm design. Special sport springs lower the Ferrari's ride height by about 1.4 inches, 35 millimeters, but an optional front lift system can hydraulically raise the front end by about 1.6 inches, 40 millimeters. Novitec also updates Ferrari's styling. The N-Largo S features a new front fascia that extends into wider front fenders, reducing front axle lift. The tuner also widened the rear fenders, adding 5.52 inches, 14 centimeters, to the overall width. New exposed carbon rocker panels, a new rear diffuser and an integrated spoiler help to further improve the car's aerodynamics. Novitec will build just 3 examples of the new Ferrari upgrade and has already sold each one. With the tuner offering a wide range of materials and trim options, including leather and Alcantara, each vehicle owner will be able to individually personalize their car's cabin. The N-Largo S isn't the most powerful Ferrari Novitec has released recently. Last month the tuner introduced a sprightlier version of the 812 competition Izione, increasing power to 854 horsepower while adding a gold-plated exhaust. Ferrari is currently working on a replacement for the 812 and is using Ferrari Roma to test the V12. The new supercar could produce more than 830 horsepower from the factory, offering Novitec and other tuners a new starting point to develop their future creations.